English Kannada future tense. I will have.
ನಾನು ಹೊಂದುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to time travel your Kannada? This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the future forms of have and yes. We'll make it fun, fast, and friendly. Warm up your voice, your future fluency is calling. Your goal today. By the end, you can say who will have what, clearly and confidently. Short, punchy, unforgettable. I will have.
ನಾನು ಹೊಂದುತ್ತೇನೆ.
You will have, informal.
ನಿನಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ.
He will have.
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇರಲಿದೆ.
She will have.
ಅವಳು ಹೊಂದುವಳು.
It will have.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ.
We will have.
ನಾವು ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೇವೆ.
You will have, formal, plural.
ನೀವು ಹೊಂದುವಿರಿ.
They will have.
ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ.
Funny mini dialogue. Let's eavesdrop on tomorrow, you'll catch the rhythm and the laughs. You. My fridge is empty today, but tomorrow I will have milk.
ನಾನು ಹೊಂದುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Friend. Relax, you will have time to shop.
ನಿನಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ.
Narrator. His courier app says he will have the package.
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇರಲಿದೆ.
You, pointing at your phone, by morning, it will have the update.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ.
Team lead, arriving, good news, we will have snacks.
ನಾವು ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೇವೆ.
The office cheers so loud the building gains confidence too. Echo drill. Say it with me. I say it once, you echo it, out loud. Micro wins stack fast. Repeat. I will have.
ನಾನು ಹೊಂದುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Repeat. You will have, informal.
ನಿನಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ.
Repeat. She will have.
ಅವಳು ಹೊಂದುವಳು.
Repeat. He will have.
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇರಲಿದೆ.
Repeat. You will have, formal, plural.
ನೀವು ಹೊಂದುವಿರಿ.
Repeat. They will have.
ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ.
Culture tip and memory hooks. Make it sticky with real life in Karnataka, plus a grin. Picture a Bengaluru Darshini promising fresh idli at 6 a.m. You smile. We will have breakfast.
ನಾವು ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೇವೆ.
For deliveries and features, tell yourself, it will have the update.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ.
For friends who are late, encourage them. You, formal, will have time by evening.
ನೀವು ಹೊಂದುವಿರಿ.
Lightning quiz. Fast checks, no stress. Answer out loud. Q1. Say, you will have to a close friend, informal. A.
ನಿನಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ.
Q2. Turn, she will have, into Kannada. A.
ಅವಳು ಹೊಂದುವಳು.
Q3. They will have water by evening. Key phrase, A.
ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ.
Bonus. He will have the ticket. A.
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇರಲಿದೆ.
Your turn, future you. Personalize it, future you will thank you. Finish this. Tomorrow, I will have time. Say.
ನಾನು ಹೊಂದುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Tell a teammate, we will have the report. Say.
ನಾವು ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೇವೆ.
Formal email vibe. You will have access. Say.
ನೀವು ಹೊಂದುವಿರಿ.
Wrap up. Nice work, you owned the future of have. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these 8 forms daily and revisit any tricky bits. For more lessons, games, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time, your future self will have even more Kannada power.